Dear students, good afternoon. Everybody, how are you? I hope that you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today, my second online class. I am Muhammad Nijamuddin, Assistant Head Teacher of Sharwatul Ibrahim Nur Mohammed High School, Boalkali, Chattogram. Today, my class for class 9 and 10, English for today. Now start. Everybody look at the picture. First picture we can see a man and a poor old woman. Second picture you can see free medical camp. Third picture you can see a woman serve the food. Fourth picture we can see a woman and a child love for humanity. Second slide. So today our lesson is love for humanity. Unit 7, lesson number 6. Learning outcome. After started this lesson, ask and answer question, read and understand through silent reading. Do you know them? Mother Teresa and Princess Diana. We can see the two women. First, we can see Mother Teresa and second woman, Princess Diana. Next slide. Who contributed most for humanity? Mother Teresa. What sin did she leave for humanity? Missionaries of Charity. Now we can see the video. That is Missionaries of Charity video. We can see the video. Old woman serve the other children. Next slide. Now we can read the important words this chapter. Number 1, charity. Charity means kindness or donations. Number 2, dying means about to die. Found means establish or build. Commitment means a promise to do something. Irrespective means regardless. Compassion means sympathy. Number 7, destitute means insolvent or poverty. Number 8, gather means gain or collect. Number 9, salute means pay tribute or respect. Number 10, divine means heavenly. Next slide you can see the another video.
hospice which
That is
purportedly
Nirmal
sweetens
Hriday.
the last moments of otherwise
It
destitute lives.
established Mother
My initial
Teresa
impression was of all the
in
photographs
Kolkata.
and footage I've ever seen of Belsen
She
and places
served
like that
the
because all the patients had
sick
shaved heads.
man
There are no
in
chairs
her
anywhere, they're
Nirmal
just the
Hriday.
stretcher beds, and they're like First World War stretcher beds. There's no garden, no yard even, no nothing.
We can see the Nirmal Hriday picture that is established in 1952, Home for Sick and Dying Destitute. Mother Teresa founded this institute for the sick and dying people on the streets of Kolkata.
A hospice which purportedly sweetens the last moments of otherwise destitute lives.
My initial impression was of all the photographs and footage I've ever seen of Belsen and places like
Second slide. Look at the picture and talk about it in pairs. We can see the four picture. First picture you can see a sick man. And some people serve the sick man. Another picture you can see sick man people serve a nurse. Next slide. She and her fellow nuns gathered the dying people of the streets of Kolkata and brought them to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of last hours they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. Those who survive, the missionaries of charity, try to find jobs for them or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family, we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families, or we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. Next slide. Let's have a look at the golden achievement of Mother Teresa. Now we can see the another video. Golden achievement of Mother Teresa.
Citizens of the world. Mother Teresa is.
Another prizes achievement of Mother Teresa.
For someone whose kingdom is not of this earth.
Next slide. Mother Teresa works has been recognized throughout the world and she has received a number of awards. Number one, 1971 Pope John Peace Prize Award by Pope Paul VI. Pope John Peace Prize 1971. Second prize, the Nehru Prize of Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972. The Balajan Prize 1978. The Nobel Peace Prize 1979. Mother Teresa achievement another prize, the Bharat Ratna and the 1980. Let us see Mother Teresa's facial appearance. Draped in a white and blue bordered sari. Ever soft eyes. Sadly a smile. Ringlet face. The Holy Soul breathed her last on 5 September 1997 at the age of 87. Now, every students, it's your homework. Now see whether following statement are true or false. If false, give the correct information. Number 1, Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Kolkata. Number 2, she opened a home for the orphans. Number 3, she and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. Number 4, Nirmal Hriday was founded so that the poor people who are dying can laugh and care before death. Number 5, Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organization. Number 6, we have learned how to come forward to help only those who belong to a special caste. Another homework, every student open your khata and write down this homework. Read the text in B again and write the answer to the following questions in your exercise book. Number 1, why do you think Mother Teresa owns so many awards? Number 2, what does Nirmal Hriday stand for? Number 3, why do you think the home is named Nirmal Hriday? Number 4, why did Mother Teresa want to dying people to feel that they deserve care and love too? Number 5, what are things that we have learned from Mother Teresa? Okay, every student, I hope that every student finished your homework in home. Okay, see you again. Every students, you see the online class and write down your comments, write down your comment boxes, your roll name and class name, class and roll name. Okay, goodbye students. Okay, thank you.